What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and we have something new here today to show you guys. Now, we have a lot of new people in the hobby, people just discovering drones and all. And one of the questions that I get the most from a lot of people that's just coming into the hobby is, what would they do about having multiple drones and having to buy multiple transmitters? Most people just want to have one transmitter to control most of the drones that they have, or all of them for that matter. And when we first started this, it was a big deal to have a multi-protocol transmitter. But nowadays, it's not a problem at all. It's pretty simple because we have things like this. This is the Jumper multi-protocol transmitter, and it came with a receiver here. I got this from Amazon.com. Check it out. I'll do a quick unboxing of this thing. This is not really an unboxing video, but just so happened that we have to unbox this thing for me to show it to you guys. So it comes with a neck strap there, or lanyard, whatever you want to call it. We have a USB, and I'm not sure what this is here. It says sound chamber, whatever that's used for, who knows. We have some parts here. Not really sure what this part is either. And we have looks like this is an option to use two 18650s right there in the battery bay. So I'm guessing now that the battery bay can probably use a LiPo as well. Not sure how to get this battery bay open. It feels kind of weird. Okay, that's how we get it open. Yep, we can use a 2S battery in here. Yep. Looks like we have the memory card slot down there. SD card slot. This allows for you to put a module in there. Turn the light on so you guys can see a little better. And I got a little battery here, a little 2S pack. And we're going to just install this battery. We're going to plug in through the balance connector there. Drop that in there. Close it back up. Let's turn it on. So, really nice. We got deviation running on here. So, it looks like they already have models set up and all. This is how we scroll through the different protocols. A lot of them aren't set, but they did set a few of them, I guess. There's up to 30 different models we can have stored in here. So, flying wing, whatever this is, let's go inside. And let's go down to the protocols. We're on baying protocol, but we're going to try to bind something to this thing now. One of my favorites, got this MJX hexacopter here. We're just going to try to bind it. So we're going to use this little tiny battery here. So let's see, the MJX hexacopter. So what we're going to do is go right here. We're going to scroll till we get to MJX Q. Press enter on this side. Okay, so it was on something different. This is the X800. So we're going to use that. Now, when we hit reinitialize, it should bind, and it did bind right away. You see the lights went solid, and check it out. So we can fly that model with this transmitter. We can fly some other models. Let's see if we can grab something else that we can bind to. So we have something else, baying protocol. I'm trying to find all things that'll fit this little battery pack here. So we're gonna go back over here to the different protocols. We're going to find baying protocol. There it is, baying. Reinitialize. We're going to hit this button. And there it is. And it's bound. So this is an awesome option for anyone in this hobby that just want to have one transmitter to control all their drones. The Jumper T8SG Plus And this is the model with the nicer gimbals. Hall sensor gimbals here. Thanks for watching.